Alright, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Friday idiom. So keep your eyes peeled. To watch out for something carefully. We need to keep our eyes peeled. Yes. I was trained to keep my eyes peeled. Yes. Keep your eyes peeled while we walk through the forest. Yes. Definitely. Yeah. She always kept her eyes peeled for a bargain, for a discount, for a sale. She keeps her eyes peeled for sales. Yeah. I keep my eyes peeled for free books. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? By keeping our eyes peeled, we can see opportunities quicker. Aha, I saw it. Aha, aha. Yes. It's good because if you want to jump onto opportunities when they arrive, you have to keep your eyes peeled. Yes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Okay, so quite important to keep your eyes peeled. So, can you use keep your eyes peeled in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.